DJing a karaoke night is nothing like a normal DJ set. You're not mixing songs. Instead, you're managing people. It's just you, a mic, and a room full of people waiting for their turn to sing. But here's the thing, VirtualDJ actually has a built-in system that can run an entire karaoke night for you. From managing singers, to displaying lyrics, to even turning any song into karaoke. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it all works. But before we get into the technical stuff, you need to understand this one thing. During karaoke, the singers control the experience. Your job is to make sure everything runs smoothly in the background. You're not worried about transitions, beat matching, or using samples to hype the crowd. Instead, it's all about managing people. And to handle all of that, VirtualDJ gives you one main tool, the Karaoke Sidelist. This is basically your command center for the entire karaoke night. It's where you organize your songs, assign singers, and control the order of performances. And the way it works is simple. You just drag and drop your karaoke tracks into the side list. Then for each song, you can assign a singer by clicking the gear icon right next to it and entering their name. Once added, those names appear next to each song. So instead of trying to remember who's next or what song they picked, everything is clearly organized for you in one place. And once Karaoke Mode is activated, those singer names can also be displayed on screen before they perform. Now, once you've got your singers lined up, you still need to think about what happens in between performances. Picture this, a singer finishes their song, and then there's just awkward silence while the next person gets ready. That instantly kills the energy in the room. But that's where VirtualDJ's background music feature comes in. From the karaoke settings, you can choose what plays in the background while you wait for the next singer. You can use songs from your auto mix playlist, your side list, a specific folder, or even just a single track. For example, if I want to use songs from my side list as background music, I can simply drag the songs into the side list, and VirtualDJ will automatically play them in between performances, keeping the vibe alive while the next singer gets ready. Now, based on what we've covered so far, let me show you what this actually looks like during a real karaoke session. So let's say we've got a few singers lined up. Kevin on Blinding Lights, Sarah on Someone Like You, and Mike on Shape of You. Once the singer names have been added and the background music is set, I can activate karaoke mode using the Karaoke Start button. The broadcast starts immediately, and you can already see all the singers' names displayed on screen. But notice this, the background music starts playing first, not the karaoke track itself. So when Kevin is finally ready to go, I hit play on the deck and the karaoke track starts instantly. After Kevin is done and the song has ended, the background music fades back in, and the next song is automatically loaded and ready to go. So when Sarah is ready, I just hit play again, and we're straight into the next performance. And this process just keeps repeating for every singer in your list. So instead of scrambling to find songs or trying to remember who's next, VirtualDJ is handling the entire flow for you. Now, for all of this to work properly, there's one thing you absolutely need to get right, the lyrics. Because at the end of the day, karaoke is all about reading and following along with the words on screen. With AI lyrics, VirtualDJ can automatically generate and sync lyrics for regular songs, basically turning normal tracks into karaoke songs on the fly. But just keep in mind, AI lyrics aren't always perfect. Sometimes the timing might be slightly off, or a few words may need correcting. And that's where the lyrics editor comes in. You can simply right-click on any track and open the lyrics editor, and from there you can edit the text, adjust timing, or even censor certain words depending on the type of event you're doing. Now, once your lyrics are sorted, the next step is making sure your audience can actually see them clearly. And this is where VirtualDJ's video engine comes in. From the Video tab, under the FX dropdown, you'll find a Karaoke Mode effect that lets you display lyrics on your screen. Once activated, the lyrics appear in a clean and readable format for your audience to follow along with. But what really makes this powerful is the customization. By clicking the gear icon and selecting Edit, you can open the preset editor. From here, you can customize things like the font, the lyric colors, and even the played color, which highlights the lyrics as they're being sung. You can also change the background of your karaoke screen to anything you want. And especially if you're doing paid gigs or you're a resident DJ, this is where you can add your logo, branding, or custom visuals to help your setup stand out. And to help you get started, I've actually put together a set of free karaoke backgrounds that you can use. Link in the description. Now, once everything looks good, let's take it a step further. Modern versions of VirtualDJ come with a built-in feature called stems, and one of the things it lets you do is remove vocals from almost any song, which means you can instantly turn regular tracks into karaoke versions. Just load the song, remove the vocals, and you're good to go. Once you've got your karaoke songs ready, your background music set, and your singer names added, running your karaoke night is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is activate the Karaoke Video FX from the Video tab, then start Karaoke Mode from the Karaoke side view. As soon as you do that, your background music starts playing automatically. At the same time, the first karaoke track in your list gets loaded onto the deck and waits for you to hit play. So while the background music is playing, you can call up your first singer and get them ready. Then, once they're set, you hit play, the background music cuts out, and the karaoke track begins. Once the performance is over, the track stops, the next song loads automatically, and the background music fades back in while you prepare the next singer. And this process just keeps repeating throughout the entire night. So once everything is set up, you're not constantly managing every little detail, you're simply guiding the flow and keeping the energy up. And that's pretty much how you can run a full karaoke night using VirtualDJ. From managing singers to setting up lyrics to keeping the energy going with background music, you now have everything you need to run a smooth and professional karaoke session. Whether you're hosting karaoke at a bar, a private event, or a weekly residency, these features can help you deliver a better experience for both your singers and your audience. Once again, my name is Young Simba, and I make VirtualDJ tutorials. If this video helps you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget, I've included free karaoke backgrounds in the description below.